Hello, for today's video we'll discuss about differential calculus. The topic will be about algebraic functions. So first, the derivative of c with respect to dx is equal to 0, where c is a constant. Derivative of u plus v with respect to dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx, where u and v are functions of x. Derivative of u times v over dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over v dv over dx. Derivative of u over v with respect to dx is equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. Derivative of dx derivative of x to the n with respect to dx is equal to n minus 1. So please master these formulas because this will be very important going to integral calculus and differential equations. So now I will be showing you some samples. So number 1 is y is equal to 2x cubed minus 7x plus 1. Okay, so from rule number 5, okay, so therefore the derivative is 3 times 2 x 3 minus 1. So here n x raised to n minus 1 minus 7, this one only is 1, so 7 times 1, then x 1 minus 1. Okay, then derivative of constant is 0. Okay, so the answer is 6x 3 minus 1, that's x squared, minus 7 x to 1 minus 1 is equal to 1, okay, plus 0. So this is the answer. Okay, so number 2, y is equal to x squared minus 2x to the 4th minus 3x to the 5th. So again, multiply this one, so 2 times 1, the coefficient of x is 1, then x 2 minus 1, then minus 2 times 4 x 4 minus 1, minus 3 times 5 x 5 minus 1. So the result will be 2x, 2 minus 1 is x to the 1, okay, so minus 8 x 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 15 x to the 5 minus 1 is equivalent to x to the 4th. Okay, so number 3, so y is equal to x6 plus x cubed plus 5x minus 8. So again, here 6 times 1 x 6 minus 1 plus 3 times 1 x 3 minus 1 plus 5 times 1, the exponent of x 1, so x 1 minus 1 minus 0. Okay, so the answer is 6x to the 5th plus 3x 3 minus 1 is squared plus 5x minus 1 is 1, x to the 0 is 1, so this is the answer. Okay, answer. Okay, so moving on. So number 4, so y is equal to 3x minus 1 minus 4x minus 2. Okay, so again here, negative 1 times 3 x minus 1 minus 1, okay, and then minus 4 times negative 2 x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so the answer is negative 1 times this, negative 3 x to the negative 2, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2, negative 4 times negative is 8, so plus 8 x, negative 2 minus 1, so that is negative 3. Okay, so you simplify, negative 3 over x squared, move to the denominator, plus 8 over x cubed. So this is the answer. So number 5, this is, I mean, y derivative, okay? Y derivative, okay? So y is equal to 3 over x minus 5 over x squared. Okay? So again, the y is, we simplify 3x, move this to the numerator, that will become negative 1, minus 5x, move x squared to negative, that will become negative 2. Okay? Therefore, derivative y is equal to, with respect to x, is negative 1 times 3x, negative 1 minus 1, negative 5 times negative 2x, negative 2 minus 1. Okay, so that will become, the derivative y with respect to x is negative 3x, negative 2, plus negative 5 times negative 2, that will become positive, and x to the negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So the answer is negative 3 over x squared plus 10 over x cubed. Okay. So for number 6, y is equal to x squared over x plus 1. Okay. So now we will be using this formula, derivative u over v with respect to dx is equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. So again, we let this one as u, we let u as is x squared, and v is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so the formula says here is the derivative of u over v respect to dy is equal to v du over dy minus u dv over dy over v squared. Okay, so now we substitute this one, so the solution will be, so v is x plus 1. Okay, so y derivative is x plus 1. Okay, then du with respect to what is du, this one, du of this, so 2x, this one, times 2x dx. Okay, using the exponent rule, 2 times 1, the 2x dx. Okay, minus, okay, u minus u, this one, so x squared. Okay, you got it, and then dv. So dv, the derivative of x plus 1 is, okay, 1. Okay, so that will become dx. Okay, clear, over v squared. So the v squared is x plus 1, so x plus 1 squared. Okay, so we simplify this one, so this one will become 2x squared plus 2x, okay, minus x squared, okay, over x plus 1 squared. Okay, now we factor out x, so x is equal to 2x plus 2 minus x, okay, over x plus 1 squared. Okay, so the result is, y derivative is x, 2x minus x will become x plus 2 over x plus 1 squared. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you.